Welcome to the Canva Classroom, everybody. Are you a content creator that struggles with designing for multiple social media platforms? This Canva Pro Resizing tool will save you time. What could you do with your extra time? Let's get started. When I create designs for social media, this Canva Pro feature has been a time saver. The first thing I do is create the template that I want to share. Okay, you see how they all look the same? I'll take one like this one, for example. Editing this design will pause the scheduled post. You need to schedule it again to update the post. What do you want to do? So I always just make a copy and then create a new design. So let's say make a copy. And then all I have to do is click send backwards there, remove that, and then upload my new thumbnail. So here's my most recent thumbnail that I just designed. But I also need to create it for Facebook and for Twitter. I'm going to do that very easily. I'm going to go to Resize. And then down here, I've got one that says Twitter post and Facebook, because at some point I clicked Twitter post and Facebook. I could even resize it to YouTube Shorts. I could resize it to YouTube thumbnail. I could resize it to anything that I want. But because I've done Twitter post and Facebook post, that's what I'm going to do. Copy and resize. It opens it up in new templates. Now, there's a little bit of tweaking that I have to do for each one. So this one's for Facebook. And so for Facebook, I'm going to need to bring out this little outline. I won't need to include link in bio because it will have a clickable link. And I just need to resize the rectangle to whatever size that I would like it to be. Center. I think I'm going to go ahead and position that in the middle as well. And then I resize my thumbnail. And here's what I do that has helped me out a lot. When I share on social media, I share the thumbnail that I designed. This way I don't have to recreate anything. I don't have to think. It's a time saver. Oh, I went too far. Let me send it backwards once. I add my little new tutorial here. There it is in the center. And I add my logo somewhere on it. I'm going to try to make it the same size here. There's my Facebook post, easy peasy. Now I'm going to go to this one. This one's for Twitter. I just do the same thing. Get rid of this because I don't need it. Resize that. Actually, I need to resize it here. And for Twitter, I actually like to add a little rectangle. And so I'll just bring it here. And I like to rotate it and grab one of the photo colors. And I need to rotate it a little more. Send it to the back. And then I will take this one. Whoop, grab the wrong thing. New tutorial. Actually, I think I'm going to put it here. And then I grab my logo and put it there, and now I've got my Twitter size. So do you see how easy it was for me to create 3 different social medias, and then I schedule it, which I'm not going to show you how to do. I'm not very good at it, and once I have it down, I just copy it and paste it into things, but then I click this little schedule button and it schedules it for me later. And if you will notice, here's my content planner. It took me 10 minutes total to create it and share it for all 3 platforms. That's total. So what, 3 minutes and 15 seconds each? It used to take me 30 minutes for one. So I really think I've become more efficient at that, and with practice, you can become more efficient with it too. If you like this sort of efficiency tutorial, let me know. I've got all sorts of hacks that make life a lot easier. If you're on the fence about Canva Pro, this is one of the reasons why I decided to get it, to help me become more efficient with design. Well, if you like this tutorial and want to see more like it, then I recommend you watch one of these on the screen right now. And remember to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.